Hey guys, Praveen here, and Webflow just released Webflow Cloud, which is to bring full stack web apps to your website experience. So it is like full stack web apps, dynamic on-brand web experiences along your Webflow site. So Webflow is like for existing Webflow is like for your landing pages and things, but now you can deploy full stack apps, I guess. So by hosting full stack on-brand web experiences natively within Webflow, technical teams can easily integrate third-party APIs, build bespoke logic, or deploy real-time data experiences. That's good. So probably you can make a website like Airbnb, I'm guessing, with this, but deploy highly customized website experiences, scale your SEO and content marketing. Okay, integrate your sites with internal tools, build and integrate internals or argue website program lengthy yeah, so this will be great for internal tools. We already have a error over here, but yeah, this will be great for internal tools. This looks like it is made with v0, but yeah, as I was saying, this will be great for internal tools and it will be great for like integrations and things like that, but I'm not sure how good it will be for making actual SaaS onboarding things for like fully fledged SaaS. But I'm guessing that's what they're headed with this. So this will be like Lovable with Superbase or Chef by Convex. That's what they're going for, I guess. But what I use for building internal tools, if I want, is Retool. It's the best way to build like internal software. It connects with lots of things and it gives like functions and everything that we want. I guess this will be alternative to that, but they still have the code. I don't know why you need code for this. It can be just something in cloud rather than this is more like hosting platform. Flow is more like a hosting platform like Versal, but yeah, I'm not sure how does Webflow. And also to connect a GitHub repo. Again, who is using Webflow with the GitHub repo? Okay, it's probably Cloudflare workers. Okay, but yeah, I would have rather made it just something like lovable. So everything in cloud, not on like a GitHub repo. Maybe with two-way sync to GitHub repo, but everything in cloud, you can just drag and drop your experience like retool and just deploy it. But yeah, this is cool, I guess. I'm not sure if I'll be using that. I'll be waiting for Figma's thing and probably Framer will be do something like this. But yeah, let's see how this goes and let's see if the next version is great and if everything is in the Webflow dashboard itself. I'll probably be using this for creating some SaaS apps. But yeah, let's see. And during the beta, Webflow Cloud will be available on site, which I'm more pricing during the beta. Okay, let's see. On platform, endless possibilities. I'll be waiting for Framer's answer to this. Bye bye.